Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our channel. In Southeast, because of the level of insecurity and chaotic issues that is going on right now, it has propelled a lot of politicians, prominent men, even Southeastern governors had to meet over the issue. Well, a lot of classified informations are coming up, and Senator Abaribe have spoken concisely over the issue. Of course, Joe Boko is, speaking concerning what Abaribe has said over the fact that there are myriads and myriads of groups that have emanated right now in Southeast. And of course, the Governor David Umahi is also buttressing the point in a different light. Many issues are going to jam into one, I tell you, until everybody comes, all hands are on deck and brainstorm over this issue. I'm afraid a lot of hijacks are going on right now in Southeast. But before we go into the news proper, we'd like you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Well, the Senate Minority Leader Nnamdi Abaribe said there are over 30 separatist groups in Nigerian Southeast besides the indigenous people of Biafra IPOB, which has been proscribed by the Nigerian government. The agitation for an independent state, Biafra, championed by IPOB, has led to a lot of mayhems and destructions in Southeast. Abaribe, representing Abia South PDP, who spoke on Tuesday in China's TV program Politics Today, said the media was creating an impression that IPOB was the only group agitating for Biafra in Southeast. The senator made the remark when the program anchor Sheung Akinbaloye asked him if he was IPOB supporter. He said, are you a supporter of IPOB? Mr. Sheung asked the senator. He answered, I am a supporter of the cries of our people against injustice. Continuing, Mr. Abaribe said, last Friday, I was chairman of a book launch, Children of Biafra. It is a book about the Biafran War, seen through the eyes of a child. Several people wrote their childhood experiences, a very poignant book that everybody needs to read. And in my statement, I said that a short while ago, former Vice President Atiku Abubakar made a statement, whether jokingly or not, and that statement was that the actions and policies of this government is turning everybody into a Biafran. Everybody is complaining about injustice. Everybody is complaining about marginalization. Everybody is complaining about nepotism. I stand with my people. There are more than 30 different separatist organizations apart from IPOB. Why we are having agitations in different parts of Nigeria is that we aren't able to manage our diversity. Senator Abaribe blamed President Muhammadu Buhari's administration for the lingering security challenges in Nigeria. He said the administration was applying double standard in its handling of security challenges in the southeast and the northeast and the northwest. He said the administration brands IPOB members as terrorists while it continues to beautify perpetrators of insecurity in the north as bandits. The single most dangerous part is the influx of non-Nigerians with military-grade weapons sweeping across our country, going into the countryside and committing mayhem, but no effort is made to profile them. No effort is made to ensure that there is a counter-surge against them. All that has been happening is the attempt to reach an agreement. How do you reach an agreement with people who are trying to bring down the country, coming from outside the country, trying to take over? The senator faltered the argument that Mr. Buhari inherited the current security challenges from Goodluck Jonathan-led administration. In the build-up to the 2015 election, we didn't have insurgencies in the northwest, we didn't have any insurgents in the southwest, and neither did we have any in the southeast. The problem in the south in the Niger Delta had been largely resolved by the PDP government of President Yar'Adua, he said. Mr. Abaribe was among those who signed a surety for IPOB leader Nnamdi Kanu to be released on bail in 2017. Mr. Kanu was intercepted in Kenya and brought back to Nigeria in June this year after he fled the country. He's standing trial in Abuja for alleged treason. Senator Abaribe said he does not regret being a surety for Mr. Kanu and that he would do it again if he has the opportunity to do so. Well, now, and that is what we will call Mwafa, standing in for his brother. The Igbos will call it Onyanya la Nwanne ya. But right now, of course, the Governor David Umahi also have decided to speak extensively over what is going on. And in his own case, he's taking a cue, should I call it a cue from what Senator Abaribe has said, judging the fact that they came out from a meeting. Well, according to reports we gathered from Channels TV, the governor of Ebonyi State, David Umahi, while speaking today on Channels Television Sunrise Daily Show, made some revelations concerning the security challenges going on in the southeast region of Nigeria and how the indigenous people of Biafra IPOB has been used as leverage by various violent groups to carry out all manner in the region. While speaking, Dave Umahi said thus, if anybody has grievances with the center, the person becomes a supporter of IPOB. If you sought anything at the federal level and you fail to get it, you become a supporter of IPOB. The whole exercise has been hijacked. In the southeast, we no longer have kidnappers. Everyone that commits one crime or criminal act or the other, it claims to be IPOB. After Dave Umahi made this statement, what came to mind was the statement the Senator representing Abia South Senatorial Constituency, that's in National Assembly, that's in Abaribe, made that about over 30 secessionist groups are currently in Southeast region of Nigeria. While speaking in an interview yesterday, while Channel Television Shion Abaribe stated that Channel Television Shion Abaribe stated that it's not all about the attacks perpetrated in Southeast were all carried out by the indigenous people of Biafra. According to him, other groups in the region have been carrying out this move and the media tags it IPOB. Bearing this in mind, has David Umahi's statement today confirmed Abaribe's yesterday's claim? And now you begin to see that all hands really needs to be on deck. And of course, Igbo has also tackled the issue. But let's just quickly look at this very critically. Now, that clearly shows that all these things in our powerful keep shouting that this is not coming from their house, it's not coming from their organization. You can now see to a very great extent Ima Powerful is right. Look at what Governor David Umahi said. And anybody who is not comfortable or who is not happy with what the presidency or the center is doing, they just tag the person IPOB. And the person may not even be an IPOB member. May not even know who the leadership of IPOB is. May not even know how they hold their meeting or whatever. But simply because they are antagonizing the government of the day and they are from the southeast, it is IPOB. So technically speaking, you could say that the whole system has been hijacked. Those who know themselves, which means the name of IPOB is now a general name for anybody antagonizing the government. Just like Governor Nnamdi Kanu said and quoted the former Vice President of Nigeria, Atiku, saying that we not all Biafrans. And I think at some point Aisha Yusufu mentioned that as well, so that we all not Biafrans. When they started making references of what is not going on right, and if you complain, are we all not agitating? Are we all not dissatisfied? Technically speaking, they're saying anyone who is disgruntled, who is not satisfied, who's unhappy with the dispensation could be termed IPOB, especially from the southeast. Let's put in that conversation. What's your take? Do you agree with the analogy of Abaribe and Senator Abaribe and Governor David Umahi, or do you think it's just propaganda as usual? They don't want to tackle